What's up, YouTube, recruiters, software developers, and anyone else who's listening? Just wanted to get on here and rant real quick. I was reflecting on the day I had today in terms of work, and I had a situation early in the morning with a candidate that I'm working with. Um, Based on his qualifications and everything, not necessarily his ability to do the job, more so degrees and the brass tacks, the black and white things. He didn't qualify. And we spoke together last week, and we were working to kind of, see. I was trying to see what I could do. Turns out it's a no go. I can't work with him. He doesn't meet the qualifications, all those type of things. Um, so I called him this morning to let him know that, hey, this is the situation. Uh, it's not gonna work out. You don't meet the qualifications. I'm sorry. Let's talk about, yes, and the purpose of the call is talk about what we can do going forward, um, what to work on now, and keep continuing what you're doing, and then in a certain amount of time, I'm gonna set a reminder in my calendar, and I'm gonna call you at that point. I was kind of overwhelmed at that point with the amount of appreciation that this person showed me for, hey, man, because I felt bad. I mean, telling somebody that, especially when someone says it, working for a certain company that I work for is like been their dream job. And I tell them it's not going to happen right now. You're not even going to get a shot to interview or even show what you can do. I was overwhelmed by the amount of appreciation he showed for the fact that I called him to let him know. And to me, I'm like, wait, what's going on here? You're you, you're appreciative right now because during the call I'm thinking, man, this sucks, man. I'm telling this person like, yo, I'm shooting him down. I'm saying it's not gonna happen. I felt bad, and I'm expressing that to him, saying, you know, I wish it was a different type of way, but this is where we're at. And he's telling me, man, I'm just super. Once again, the word of the day, appreciative that thank you for calling me and telling me what's going on and talking me through this and talking about what I can do in the future and what are some plans and some steps for the future and stuff like that. I'm thinking in my head, I'm like, well, shit. I mean, that's how it's supposed to go, right? I mean, we're humans. We're communicating. That's communication. He tells me like 95% of the recruiters I talk to, if anything like this, it's yeah, the conversation's all good up front, and then if it gets to this type of roadblock, I don't hear from them or see them ever again. Man, and you if you're a recruiter, you know what type of situation I'm talking about. Don't do that shit. That's fucked up. You know what I mean? Like, I know we got to get our wins and everything like that, but don't be so transactional. Um, we're all still human too. And if you wonder why sometimes, especially if you're in the IT industry, going into a call and you feel like the person you're speaking with is being kind of a prick to you, kind of speaking to you like you're nothing, closed off, kind of cold. It's because of shit like this. The fact that this guy was so appreciative that I just did the human thing to do to tell him, hey, look, it's not going to happen right now. And the fact that he tells me 90 or something percent of his recruiter interactions is in these types of situations, unless it's all good news, y'all motherfuckers don't want to call me or talk to me, you know? Don't do that shit. How would you like that if you were trying to get a job, you know? So that was my rant for today. I was just reflecting about something earlier today. Happened early in the morning. Recruiters, let's get better. Don't do that. But yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I got a mission I'm on, man. You know, I'm trying to reach those that need to hear this, so that we can make this whole industry recruiting candidates, whether it's IT, financial, mortgage, whatever the hell it is, to make this process better, more efficient. So, all right, I'm rambling now. So, that's the deacon. That's what the deacon does. The deacon speaks. So, I'll see you next week. I'm fucking with y'all. All right, peace.